Here's another serious venture, but this one comes with a lot more risk. Scuba diving in the Detroit River. A local diver is getting a moment in the spotlight after helping National Geographic find an old Ford Model T car at the bottom of the Detroit River.
They had an idea for a documentary they wanted to do, and it was about prohibition. So they wanted to have film footage of a vehicle at the bottom so they could talk about how rum running went across the river on the ice.
That's Matt Zudima. He's a diving instructor from LaSalle. He has 30 years of plunges around the world under his belt, but most enjoys the challenge of the Detroit River. He caught wind National Geographic was interested in doing a documentary on the Detroit River's role during Prohibition, and he knew the whereabouts of a 1920s Model T near Hiram Walker's. The footage he filmed will be used in the episode showing the 100-year-old wreckage, which airs tonight. Zudima says it's one of the coolest things he spotted in all his years of diving.
It's neat to be part of something that National Geographic would be interested in, and to get a worldwide audience to see something and kind of bring Windsor out and show the world what Windsor played in a really neat part of history.
The episode will air tonight on the National Geographic TV series Drain the Oceans. The episode is aptly named Rise of the Mob.